So I'm back with a little unboxing video. I bought this little tripod for the Canon V10. This is the Godox MT03 Mini Tripod. So yeah, let's see what we have in the box. Okay, so I had to break the box a little bit. The boxing is quite good, I must say. I bought this little tripod from Camera Stuff. Right, so that's it. We have our here we go, packaging. And well, this is the Godox MT03 Mini Tripod, which I bought from Camera Stuff. From the top it has got the 1/4 inch screw over here. On the side it's got the adjuster screw so that I can either have it vertical or for horizontal video. The main reason I bought this tripod was for the cold shoe mount over here, so that I can use my Rode mic, a video mic. And then also it has got the 3 tripod legs extended like this, so you can either place it on the desktop or fold it back so you can have it handheld to do those vlog videos. And then also I think the coolest thing about this tripod is that it can actually extend to 25 centimeters. So at minimum height it is 15 centimeters. And then extended height is 25 centimeters, so that you can actually hold it further out in front of you. So yeah, this is once again the Godox MT03 Mini Tripod, which I bought from Camera Stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.